warm welcome from Neutral Solar Systems. Let's look into the various types of neutral Powerwall. This model, Neutral Powerwall, has been named as Neutral Powerwall 0.4 Eco. Now let's look into the benefits of our Neutral Powerwall 0.4 Eco. It has a 400 VA motherboard facility which helps you to use 300 watts electricity load. It has a 12.8 volt 36 Ah lithium ferrous phosphate battery inbuilt. Since it has a solar charge controller in it, we can use the solar panels to recharge with the batteries. Our Neutral Powerwall 0.4 Eco model can be used in small homes or rental buildings or any street shops via a simple connection, and it is very easy to carry. The price of our Neutral Powerwall 0.4 Eco is Rs 15,000. All our dealers and distributors, please contact us. For more information, please call us at 7200 604242. Thank you.